Today on Lulu Grows, Lulu is opening a 5-star cafe from her tiny garden.
Hey everyone, happy Sunday. I've got some bok choys here that I'm about to harvest for the first time. I'm so excited.
Okay, so here's the deal. We thought we were just having a cute little backyard harvest happening here. Just chill vibes, right? But then I got an idea. Can we actually make a legit 5-star breakfast cafe experience using what I foraged from my tiny garden?
So I want to use them for like an omelette or something like that. Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
So here's the deal. This bok choy is all we've got. But if it works, not only do we launch our first official Lulu Grows pop-up cafe,
To spice things up, there's a mystery prize at the end. I can't reveal it yet, but let's just say it's worth it. After washing and chopping the bok choy, the challenge begins. Lulu cracks not 1, not 2, but 4 eggs into the bowl. And hold up, did those yolks just form a smiley face? That's either good luck or major foreshadowing.
hey, I don't believe in luck. I believe in God.
Salt and pepper are added, and with a quick whisk, the eggs are ready. A splash of oil hits the pan, and the first contender enters. Diced red onion, sizzling dramatically as it hits the heat. Next comes a vibrant mix of yellow and green capsicum, bringing a full burst of color to the dish. And finally, the star of today's challenge makes its appearance. Freshly harvested bok choy, straight from the garden and ready to impress.
Can we take a second? I actually grew this. Me. I didn't kill it.
Confidence is high. But remember, many omelets have died at this stage. Burned, stuck to pans, or worse, turned into scrambled eggs. Nonetheless, the egg mixture is poured in, no stirring and no second chances, but only low heat and hope.
Manifesting omelette greatness. Please, Lord, let this work.
About 7 minutes later, Lulu cuts off the heat and mozzarella rains down like cheesy confetti. But the question remains, will it melt into gooey victory or collapse into chaos?
While the cheese melts, it's now my turn to set up for the garden cafe before the omelette is ready.
5-star vibes on a 0-star budget. The pressure is real. But presentation matters because the final judge has arrived and he has no idea there's a secret prize on the line.
The omelette is plated, the cafe is set. The very first customer of our garden cafe is sitting down. He's taking the first bite. He's chewing. He's nodding. Wait.
Subscribe and like the video. Thanks. Now, let's see the verdict.
Oh, a very satisfied husband. Yeah, cool, man.
The cafe survives its first service. The omelette approved. And as for the prize, a 5-star kiss for a 5-star cafe. A 5-star harvest, a 5-star cafe, and maybe a 5-star marriage. Considering there was literally no budget, drop a comment. Is this a 5-star garden cafe? Or what should I add to it to level it up next time? Don't forget to subscribe to join our next adventure.